Welcome to my channel. Hi ladies. If your hair feels weak, damaged, or just in need of some serious love, today's review is for you. I'm talking about the Altena Caviar Anti-Aging Restructuring Bond Repair Mask, an intensive treatment that repairs, strengthens, and protects your strands for hair that looks youthful, shiny, and full of life. Let's dive in and see how it transforms damaged hair into gorgeous, healthy locks. The Altena Caviar Bond Repair Mask is a leave-in treatment that goes beyond ordinary conditioners. Its advanced formula works to strengthen hair, reduce and prevent breakage, and maintain smoothness even after repeated washes. It's ideal for women who want their hair to look healthy, vibrant, and full of life without weighing it down or leaving it greasy. Unlike standard hair masks that rinse out after a few minutes, this leave-in mask continuously works to repair damaged strands, protect them from future stress, and enhance shine. Over time, hair becomes more resilient, manageable, and noticeably healthier. Whether your hair is dry, color-treated, heat-styled, or naturally prone to breakage, this mask addresses the core problems, restoring strength, improving texture, and giving your hair a luminous finish. Benefits: the Altena Caviar Anti-Aging Restructuring Bond Repair Mask is packed with benefits that make it an essential part of any hair care routine. Breakage control reinforces weak strands to prevent splits and breakage. Smoothness and shine increases softness while improving shine for a healthy, polished look. Strengthening helps rebuild hair's natural structure to resist damage from styling, coloring, or environmental factors. Leave-in treatment works continuously throughout the day, so your hair stays protected and nourished even after washing. Healthy appearance delivers a salon-quality finish that makes hair look and feel revitalized. With consistent use, this treatment helps maintain the health of hair over time, keeping it strong, soft, and manageable. It's perfect for busy women who want high-performance results without complicated routines. Suggested use: for best results, apply the Altena Caviar Mask as part of your regular hair care routine. Apply a small amount to clean, damp hair, focusing on mid-lengths and ends where damage is most visible. Leave-in, do not rinse. Style as usual. Because it is a leave-in treatment, it continues to work even after drying, helping to maintain smoothness and shine while preventing breakage throughout the day. It's suitable for all hair types, including color-treated, chemically processed, or heat-styled hair. Why choose Altena Caviar Anti-Aging Restructuring Bond Repair Mask? Repairs and strengthens fragile, damaged hair. Reduces and prevents breakage, giving you more resilient hair. Increases smoothness and shine for a healthy, polished look. Leave-in formula works continuously, saving time and effort. Suitable for all hair types, especially damaged, color-treated, or brittle hair. Provides salon-quality results at home, making hair manageable, shiny, and full of life. Final thoughts: the Altena Caviar Anti-Aging Restructuring Bond Repair Mask is more than just a treatment. It's a transformative solution for damaged, weak, or stressed hair. From the first use, hair feels stronger, smoother, and healthier, while long-term use helps prevent breakage and maintain shine. If you want your hair to feel revitalized, soft, and protected, this mask is a must-have addition to your hair care routine. Pamper your strands with the Altena Caviar Mask and enjoy stronger, healthier, and more radiant hair every day. To buy this product, go to check link in the description box. Please subscribe my channel. Watch the next video. Thanks for watching.